How to dropship on Temu. So we will not be doing exactly on Temu, as Temu bans your account as soon as they know you are doing dropshipping from their platform. So what we will be doing instead is using AliExpress and connect AliExpress to our Shopify store, and the extension that is required is AliExpress Search by Image. Head over to the second site, AliExpress Search by Image. So what this extension will do is that it will be added on your Chrome browser on your desktop. After that, you can search for every product that you find on Temu and also on AliExpress. So this way you will be able to compare the prices and all the other details. You will also be able to find the exact product which is available on Temu. Well, the pictures on Temu is quite better as compared to AliExpress. So we will use an image downloader, which is also an extension. You can easily find it on Google Chrome. After that, you can download the images from Temu and replace them with the images in your Shopify store for AliExpress. And then you would be able to dropship using Temu without breaking any guidelines at all. So that's it, and this is how you can use Temu for dropshipping. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.